SC1150D, SC1150C Auto Scrubber. Auto Scrubber is gather spraying, washing and sewage recycling for fully automatic cleaning equipment, suitable for cleaning various of ground in different size of site. SC1150D and SC1150C Auto Scrubber are equipped with 20-inch brush plate. The clean width is 510 mm. When cleaning, the brush set power forward to make it easy to operate and light to walk. Cleaning speed is 18 meters per minute. 550 square meters per hour washing. Water tank with PE plastic rotational molding. It is strong and beautiful. Clean water tank capacity is 55 liters. A box of clean water washes to 460 square meters. Using powerful mute suction motor and brush plate of the motor, the machine is less than 65 decibels of working noise. Water sucker provides suction more than 14 kPa. Water sucker width is 980 mm. Under the brush set of sewage not drop, they will be all collected. Wand of the wiper rubber, all made of natural rubber, acid and alkali resistance, anti-aging and resistance to friction. Life is 3 times as ordinary rubber. The design of the whole machine is compact and stable to walk. The minimum turning radius is 1.4 meters. Adapt to clean the corners. Working condition of instrument switch in both English and Chinese. Low power and overload are demonstrated by the numbers. SC1150D with 2 12-volt high-quality batteries. If it's full electric, it can clean more than 3 hours. To prevent battery damage, the battery must timely when low battery charge. SC1150C is wire type and powered by mains with 15-meter wire, operating range of 700 square meters. You should be timely clean dirty water tank and stake and the brush plate to keep the machine in good condition after operating it.